Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Chamaku Sparks. So ఇవాళ మనము intermediate first year chemistry chapter 5 Stoichiometry. This is the part 3 of the video. So we have completed the short answer questions in the part 1 and part 2 of the video. So please do check out those videos. So coming to this part 3 video, we will be completing the very short answer questions. So in this chapter, mostly we will be having problematic questions. So it will be very simple. So you just need to practice these important and repeated questions. Then you will be getting 2 marks very easily. So coming to this question, if you check the previous question papers, this question has repeated n number of times. So this is the most important question. So let's solve this. So how many number of moles of glucose are present in 540 grams of glucose? So here first they have given us weight of the glucose is 540 grams. So what is the gram molecular weight of the glucose? So this is the glucose formula C6H12O6. So the gram molecular weight of glucose is 180 grams. Okay. So we have to find the number of moles. Okay, so for finding the number of moles, this is the formula: weight of substance by gram molecular weight of the substance. So we have the weight of the substance and also gram molecular weight. So therefore 540 by 180 is equals to 3 moles. So in 540 grams of glucose we have 3 moles. Okay, 3 moles of glucose are present in 540 grams of glucose. Coming to the next question, the empirical formula of a compound is CH2O. Its molecular weight is 90. Calculate the molecular formula of the compound. So here we have to find out the molecular formula of the compound. So first empirical formula is CH2O, right? So for this formula we have to find out, this is the empirical formula. So for this empirical formula weight is this. So carbon we have to take separate. Okay, so carbon atomic weight is 12 and hydrogen atomic weight, for single hydrogen atomic weight is 1. So here we have 2 hydrogens, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Then coming to oxygen, the atomic weight is 16. So therefore the total empirical formula weight is 30 and the molecular weight is already given in the question, that is 90. So for finding the molecular form, first we have to find out the number of moles, then only we can find the molecular formula. So how to find the number of moles is equals to molecular weight by empirical formula weight is equals to molecular weight is 90 and empirical formula weight is 30. So 90 by 30 is therefore 3. So now we have to find out the molecular formula. So molecular formula is equals to N into empirical formula, which is this and this. Okay, so N into empirical formula, which is 3 into CH2O. So C into 3 is C3 and H2 into 3 is, so here we have hydrogens 2. So 2 3s are 6. So H6 and O into 3 is O3. So this is how we find molecular formula of a given compound. Moving on to the next question. Calculate the weight of 0.1 mole of sodium carbonate Na2CO3. So we have to find out first number of moles is equals to weight by gram molecular weight. So weight is equals to, if weight is equals to number of moles into gram molecular weight. So therefore 0.1 into 106. How did we get this 106? By taking this compound's weight. Okay, so 0.1 into 106 is 10.6 grams. Okay, moving on to the next question, they will be asking what is redox reaction and give one example. So what is redox reaction? The reaction in which both oxidation as well as reduction takes place simultaneously is known as redox reaction. For this example is the reaction between zinc and copper sulfate. In this reaction, the zinc is oxidized, so it loses the electrons, and copper is reduced, so it gains the electrons. Okay.